Hi, my name is Michelle Lee Yim, and today I will talk about climate change. It is a serious issue that many of us are able to recognize but ignore. It includes not only the rising temperature of the planet, but also extreme changing weather, changing wildlife, rising sea level, and more. This phenomenon is now significantly impacting the planet and will lead to irreversible and detrimental damages to our world. Effects of global warming that scientists have predicted in the past, like loss of sea ice, accelerated sea level rise, and intense heat waves are now occurring. The cause of these changes are rooted in human actions. As people continue to emit more greenhouse gases to the atmosphere, the change continues. The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, or the IPCC, which includes more than 1,300 scientists from the US and other countries, project a temperature rise of 2.5 to 10 degrees Fahrenheit over the next century. Climate change is not just a scientific, ecological problem. It encompasses various areas of studies from economics, politics, sociology, and more, which is why the IPCC states that the extent of the effects of climate change on individual regions will vary over time and with the ability of different societal and environmental systems to mitigate or adapt to change. Addressing climate change will require complex solutions, and most of these solutions exist today. Many of them require people to change the way we behave as well as create and consume energy. Solutions to halt greenhouse gas emissions like increasing wind and solar power, setting a price on carbon, and protecting forests are solutions that have been discussed and are being conducted in some parts. But with the rapidity of climate change, there needs to be a more powerful regulation of carbon footprints in both individual levels as well as larger levels like corporate or government. Also, extracting carbon dioxide from the atmosphere is equally as important as decreasing new emissions. Methods to do so can range from fancy new technologies like geoengineering, such as spraying sunlight-reflecting aerosols into the air, to simple but most crucial methods like planting trees and restoring seagrass. For example, restoring forests that were already demolished in Brazil can draw about 1.5 billion metric tons of carbon dioxide out of the air. Climate change might seem like a never-ending complicated issue, and truthfully, it is. However, if everyone can control their carbon emission a little bit and raise awareness as well as demand for change, solving it might not be as impossible as it seems. This is exactly why me and my friends Justin and Maya started a nonprofit organization called the Surf's Up Project in order to clean the ocean. Our goal is to raise money and awareness to clean the ocean and ultimately to stop the process of the climate change and just clean the environment.